Hi, I'm Jim Brickell from Ed Ford, and this is Getting to Know Your 2018 Ford Escape Titanium. I'm sitting in the driver's seat to show you the various controls on your new vehicle. For example, along the door armrest, we have our mirror controls. Flip the middle switch to which mirror you want. Use the arrows to adjust left, right, up, or down. Your power window switches are here, including the express down for the driver window. Moving up slightly, we have our power door locks and the numbers 1, 2, 3. Therefore, our programmable seat positions. So once you've used the power seat on the side of the chair, you would push and hold button number 1, and when it beeps, it's locked in your driving position. As we move over to the dash, we have our fog lamps, we have our power liftgate, and we have our headlamps. Off, on, and the A is for the automatic setting. They'll come on when it gets dark and go off when you shut off the engine. The next two are your panel dim switch, brighter and dimmer. And as we pull back, you can see the steering wheel. This vehicle does have push button start, so it's foot on the brake. To the right of the steering column, push the button to start the vehicle. When you start it, you'll get some messages in your display screen right in front of the driver. Right now it's showing a low fuel level, 34 kilometers to empty. On the steering wheel, we have an OK button to acknowledge that you've received that message. Now, in your display, you have a choice of what is showing. So right now, we've got a digital speedometer. As you go down, you've got a trip odometer, average fuel economy, instantaneous fuel economy, distance to empty, a trip timer, and a four-way display showing multiple information all at the same time. So the choice is up to you as to what you display. Continuing with this five-way, if you hit to the left, now you're giving some other choices. Trip 1, trip 2, your information, your settings. And under settings, you've got your driver assist, which would be your traction control on and off. You've got your vehicle, so the engine off, your compass, your chimes, easy entry exit. When that is activated, when you open the door, the driver chair will go back slightly to make it easier to get in and out. When you start the vehicle, it'll slide into your preset position. So that's how you can use those 5 ways to customize your driving display. Below we have our cruise control, your on off, your resume, your coast, your set plus and minus, and those set plus and minus will change your speed by 1 mile per hour either up or down. On the right hand side of the steering wheel we have another 5-way. This time it's your volume up and down at the top and bottom, your voice activation in the middle, and when the stereo is on, it would be seek to the next preset. And when your phone is connected, it can be answering your phone and hanging up on a phone call. Now, we have the beautiful Myford touch display in the center here with Sync 3. So your home screen shows you a map of where you are. Because we already know the vehicle is low on gas, preset destinations are gas stations. So it's lit up. There's a couple very close to here. Right now it's showing our audio is off and we could add a device. So if you've got your cell phone handy, you would hit add device.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
You would take out your phone, go to your settings, choose Bluetooth, and then follow the instructions on the screen. You'll pair your vehicle, you'll activate your 911 assist, download your phone contacts, and then you'll be able to make phone calls voice activated and completely hands-free. For now, we're not pairing anything, so we'll go back. And across the bottom, we've got some great choices. So if we want audio, you've got your AM, FM, Sirius, CD, Bluetooth. So So I was just shutting that off so it's not being distracting. The other place you can add your phone is right in here. And then you get to your navigation settings. So you've got your map on screen. Type where it says destination. You can search. You can go to previous destinations. You can program in your home, your work address, save some favorites. And there are some preset ones already in there for food, fuel, hotel, etc. So, for example, we look for food. It gives us some restaurants right in the area. And the other way of doing it, if you go back to your voice activation, hit the middle button.
Please say a command.
I'm hungry.
Please say a line number.
So by saying the phrase, I'm hungry, it's brought up the restaurants again.
I didn't get that. Please say the line number or say none of those.
1.
When ready, press the voice button and then say set as destination.
Set as destination.
Setting new destination. Obey traffic laws, be alert, and use voice commands while driving. Please proceed to the highlighted route and then the route guidance will start.
So, where I'm parked, I'm almost in the parking lot of Jack Astor's, which makes it very convenient to get there. But for future reference, it shows your clock in the middle, 3:08, and your arrival at the destination of 3:09. If you choose you're not going to go there, go back to your voice.
Please say a command.
Cancel route.
Are you sure you want to cancel your route?
Yes.
Canceling route.
Now, you can also find
Please say a command.
a place.
In St. Catharines, please say the name of the POI.
Ed Learn Ford.
Please say a line number.
None of those.
My mistake. What was the name you're looking for? To search somewhere else, say change search area.
Ed Learn Ford.
Please say a line number.
None of those.
My mistake. What was the name you're looking for? To search somewhere else, say change search area.
Ford dealer.
Please say a line number.
1.
Please say a line number.
1.
When ready, press the voice button and then say set as destination.
So sometimes you have to say things a couple of times, but most often it will recognize your commands. When you're driving, you are to use voice commands when it comes to the navigation system. When you're in park, you can also use the search feature and type something in. So as I was starting to type in, it was taking a guess as to where I wanted to go.
Please proceed to the highlighted route and then the route guidance will start.
On our settings, you've got your sound, your clock, your Bluetooth, your phone, general. It's on there, your language, the distance, Celsius, Fahrenheit, all kinds of good stuff. And when you eventually sell your vehicle or trade it in, you would do a master reset, and that would wipe out all your personal settings, your phone settings, your navigation, etc. Down below, we have our air conditioning and climate controls. So temperatures on both sides of the vehicle. So they can be different from one person to the other. You do have your heated seats. 3 bars means high heat, 2 bars means medium heat, 1 bar low heat, no bars, no heat. Across the bottom we have our heated steering wheel. We have the auto stop start override feature. The parking assist, if you're towing a trailer, you can shut off your rear park aids. Otherwise, when you're in reverse, it'll always be beeping that you've got something you're about to hit. And the next one is your active park assist. So there's a parallel park out, perpendicular parking, and parallel parking. This controls the steering for how to park and get out of parking spaces. You control the gear shift, and you control the speed of the vehicle, the braking, and that sort of thing. So just follow the instructions on the screen, and it makes parking a breeze. And there we are, back to our home screen. So I hope you found this to be an informative video. If you have any questions, please feel free to call Jim Brickell, Ed Learn Ford, or email jimb@edlearnford.com. Enjoy your ride.